Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two heavyweights in the CPU world, the Intel Core i5-12600K, which we'll call i5, and the Intel Core i7-14700K, or i7 feet for short. Buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic: money. The i5 comes in at a wallet-friendly $342. On the other hand, the i7 is a bit more bougie, priced at $464. So if you're looking to save some bucks for, I don't know, a lifetime supply of ramen noodles, the i5 might be your go-to. But hey, if you've got the extra cash, why not splurge on the i7 and maybe throw in some gold-plated ramen chopsticks? Next up, let's talk about cores. The i5 packs a solid 10 cores, which is pretty impressive. But the i7, it flexes with a whopping 20 cores. That's right, 20. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a Swiss Army tank. If you love multitasking like a caffeinated squirrel, the i7's got your back. Now, let's speed things up with clock speeds and turbo boost. The i5 runs at a respectable 3.70 GHz, but when it needs to put on its running shoes, it can go even faster thanks to turbo boost. The i7, however, is like Usain Bolt on steroids, reaching speeds up to 5.6 GHz with Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0. If you want your computer to respond faster than you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, the i7 is your guy. Both CPUs come with integrated Intel UHD graphics 770. So, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just staring at your desktop wallpaper because you can't decide what to do, both the i5 and i7 have you covered. But let's be honest, if you're a serious gamer, you're probably going to throw in a dedicated GPU anyway. When it comes to motherboard compatibility, both CPUs are like two peas in a pod. They work with Intel 600 series and 700 series chipset-based motherboards. The i7 might need a BIOS update, but hey, who doesn't need a little update now and then? Last but not least, let's talk memory support. The i5 is compatible with DDR4 and the i7? Well, it's got some versatility up its sleeve, supporting both DDR4 and DDR5. So if you're looking to future-proof your rig or just want to brag about having the latest tech, the i7 is the way to go. According to Amazon reviewers, the i5-12600K is highly praised for its impressive performance, cool operation, and great value for both gaming and productivity tasks. Users appreciate its stability, even when overclocked, and its ability to handle multiple tasks efficiently. On the other hand, the i7-14700K receives accolades for its superior performance, especially in gaming and multitasking, although it is noted to be power-hungry and may require robust cooling solutions. Reviewers also highlight its high clock speeds and advanced architecture, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and power users. Upbeat music playing, and there you have it, folks. The Intel Core i5-12600K and the Intel Core i7-14700K, two fantastic CPUs that are ready to power your next build. If you're on a budget and still want great performance, the i5 is a stellar choice. But if you want to go all out and have the ultimate multitasking machine, the i7 is the clear winner. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Fade out to buy smart logo. Upbeat music continues and fades.